This is my number 16 lift-out crucible furnace. It uses an 1.25 inch burner. Sorry about the lid looking so ugly, but I coated it with a refractory and it peeled off like a dried mud puddle. Kind of like that. This furnace was built almost 22 years ago, and it's melted a whole bunch in it. That's a number 16 crucible to give you an idea of the opening required. Maybe less, who knows. Works for me. The bricks are placed in like this. Oh, ignore the asbestos. With very little mortar in here and none in here. Reason being, when this gets hot, it's going to expand. If this shell won't give, it'll crush itself, similar to what it's doing right there. You got to plan for that thermal expansion. It's like I say, 20 years old. It's doing real good. I'll never have to replace these outer brick. And replacing these inner brick are pretty easy to do. To give you an idea of how much has been melted in this furnace, these started out with 40 pounds, which was way more than I needed for the mold. These are 2 train wheels. There's 4 more under that forklift up there. This is the extra that I had left over. Stepping stones. Aluminum. Cast iron. Look. Gunmetal. Some more brass. That's silicon bronze. There's another silica bronze one. Quite a few pounds of iron melted. And quite a bit of aluminum also. Pardon the mess. Tool cost is no object. Be helpful if there was a light on in here. There's some more of them train wheels. They turned out pretty dang good. And there's 4 axles there. Oh, the aluminum axle boxes were melted in there. And I made the brass bushings, journal bushings. And up under there somewhere is 4 more axles. I'm gonna have to get that out and clean the rust off. May have to remake some things. I never use a crucible to failure. It's just too damn dangerous. Throw it away before you end up with an emergency room bill. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shit, that's $1,000 crucibles I've been through.